T13, take one.
And while you're looking into the camera, you can answer my question as to whether you think that would make a good paternity dress or not.
No, I don't really think so.
You don't?
No.
Call her, Marty.
Tippi, what's wrong with you?
I spent a little of your money today.
You spent some of my money today.
Yes. I bought a few things. How do you like this?
I like it, but it looks like you spent more than just a little of my money.
Really?
What's the matter with your walk?
Well, you have to learn how to walk all over again in this dress. Look at the slit in the back.
I know. Why don't you get one that's finished? It seems to be damaged.
Where?
In the back. It's all cut open.
Oh, my dear, you've got a lot to learn.
Well, I don't wear those things, so I guess
Oh, you look rather silly in them, too.
Well, there have been moments.
This kind of marvelous. Would you like to see some of the others?
Yes, you have more?
Yes, several.
Yeah.
I told you I spent some of your money today.
Listen, answer.
How do you like the walk?
Not much.
No?
No.
Here, down there. Down, come down. To the final position there. Right in front of the screen. Now look at those people there out there. Who the hell they think they are? It's very interesting. Well, that tilts your nose a bit.
You want profile?
Yeah. Talk to her, Marty, from here.
Listen, Tippi, we
Don't
don't
go
do us
right
all
down.
a favor. And tell us.
Now, don't turn the body to him.
Excuse me.
Yes. Now talk to him in profile.
Pardon me, Marty?
Yeah, would you explain the name Tippi? What is it? Where does it originate from?
It's a Swedish nickname.
For what?
For Tupsa.
For what?
Tupsa.
Would you say that again, please?
Tupsa.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That's an anatomical term. Meaning...
Tupsa.
Little girl.
Oh, really?
Yes. In Swedish.
All right, Marty, go on, take over.
Listen, Tippi, I'm not going to put you on. But how do you feel about this whole experience?
Well, that's a terrible question to ask.
You can be honest. Whatever you feel about Hitch is perfectly all right because we all know what he is. You know, mean, all that stuff.
Yeah,
you
mean,
can say
all
whatever
that
you
stuff.
want.
Well, yeah, possibly I see a little different side of him.
You do?
Yeah.
Please, explain it.
Yes.
Nobody else has so far.
No?
No.
Well,
Let's see that coat round the back.
Has he treated you badly?
terrible.
That's what I'm
Go
trying to...
forward a couple of steps. Now turn profile and look at him. But no, let's see the back, only the head, not the body. Now that's it. Now turn the head well round. Back, no, to him. I mean, keep turning it until the head drops off, you know.
What?
That's it.
It rolls away on the floor.
Yeah. I'll give it a little shove and Marty can pick it up, you know.
That's right.
And it can be buried into the garden.
Yes. Oh, Marty, keep talking to her. And she looked over her shoulder at you.
You know, I'm more than just an average head figure.
How are you doing on shrinking?
Closer up to the thing here.
I've been shrunk. It really hasn't been a lovely experience, Tim.
Been a beautiful experience.
I cut it enough of experience.
David. T18, take 3.
Action.
My husband's gone now. I don't think he'll be back.
Good, now we can play.
I wonder if I can trust you alone.
No, you can't. You know that.
Tell me, Mr. Balsam, what exactly do you have in mind?
Why do you call me Mr. Balsam? I mean, if your husband's gone away, you call me Mr. Balsam. I don't think we can go much further. What do I have in mind?
Yes.
Remember the subject we were talking about before?
Which subject?
Paroxysms.
Oh, I missed that. I missed that whole
No, it was
conversation.
paroxysms and necrophilia.
Well, I remember the necrophilia, but I don't remember.
You remember the necrophilia?
Yes, very.
That's
yes.
marvelous.
Isn't that wonderful?
Yeah. Well, what do you say? You want a necrophilia?
No. I think this has ruined me forever.
What's that?
We're going to change the subject.
I think so, too.
Clothes.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Would you like to see my new suit? Did you look at it?
Yes, I saw it from afar. It's lovely. It really is. Nice simple bow.
Isn't that lovely? That's the only fastening on it.
Nothing in the back?
No,
It's lovely.
something new.
It's lovely. Mm-hmm.
Go back to him again. Go ahead.
Are these yours?
They're mine to wear.
They're yours to wear. Well, I must say they're really...
Pitch that voice lower.
Yes.
Gorky, remember Gorky? On the lower
Yes,
deck?
that's true.
Your favorite book?
Yes,
Do you like his dress?
very much.
I see.
And all those tops that you saw before,
Yes.
they all go with it.
The same tops, the
Yes,
same
you
outfits
can
that you wore
interchange all of them.
with the white ones, too?
That's right. And the
That's
black
right.
coat
Yeah.
goes over this.
Then all you need is just the black and the white dress, and you've
That's
got about
right.
6 different outfits.
That's right.
How about the hair?
It's new, too.
You can change it, too?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, yes, I see the lace. It's lovely.
How do you feel about the mouth?
How do I feel about the mouth? Let me see.
Examine the mouth more closely.
Let me see.
Try it on. Try it on.
I really feel about your mouth.
Do you?
Yes.
That's
It's
wonderful.
lovely. I love your eyes, too.
I cut it, okay.
David.
I told you yesterday when you went to the hairdresser, I want you to dye your hair back to brown.
I don't want to have
I
brown
don't care
hair.
what you want. It's my hair, in a sense. I mean, I'm paying for it, aren't I?
I beg your pardon. It's me.
It's you, but I'm paying for all that business up there. I think I would like to have a color that I like, not what you like. Is that
Well, there
unfair?
is something, you know, a lot of things have occurred to me lately.
What's that?
You know, I don't believe I've ever met anyone quite as calculating as you are.
What's so calculating? I just like to watch where my money's going,
Why,
that's
you're
all.
trying to just completely run my life.
I would just like to know what is happening with my money. If you told me yesterday that you're going to dye your hair back to dark, then I assume that you're going to do so. If you're going to get it
You
even
know,
lighter than it was before, what's the point?
It occurs to me that this is not the problem.
Well, what is the problem?
Well, there's a few things like, I don't mind you sort of shopping for a wife.
Yeah, I don't mind either.
You know, but when it gets to the point where it's 4 girls you're seeing, then 3.
What are you talking
and
about?
then 2. Like you're actually going to a shop and buying.
Those girls commission me. I'm commissioned by those girls. There's nothing to do with
What do you mean commissioned?
They pay me to do their shopping for them because they don't know what the hell to buy for themselves. That's got nothing to do with the
That's
color
not
of your
what I
hair,
mean.
though. Hmm?
That's not what I mean.
What do you mean?
You are shopping for a wife.
Yeah.
Come do your hair again.
Well,
Keep it up. Keep it up. Talk.
are you saying that I'm shopping for 4 wives?
No, you are not. You're shopping for a wife for yourself.
I'm
Pretending you
shopping
don't
for-
know what I'm talking about.
Oh, for heaven's sake, I hate petty arguments. Look,
This is
I-
not petty.
The
This is
color
not
of your
petty.
hair is very important to me. I told you I like brunettes, and I told you to get your hair back from light to dark. And you told me you were going to do this. Now, am I hearing things, or am I making it up, or what?
You know something? I don't think I want to see you anymore.
Well, then, kindly pay me for the money I laid out for your hair. You may laugh, but it's not funny. I mean, there's you and those other 3 girls. Ooh.
Cut it.
David.